Hello friends! Today we're going to making this candle that Miles is holding out of this napkin. Mickey Mouse Halloween napkin, which looks pretty cool. And with this plain candle, it may look like you can't do it, but you'll see it's going to be fun! So this is all that you're going to need. You're going to need some baking paper, whichever napkin you would like, a plain candle, and any iron. I just decided to use a craft iron, and you're probably going to need an adult supervision help.
Maybe a pumpkin?
So this is a full-size napkin, but we've cut it into this perfect size so that it can fit all around the blank candle. If your napkin has 2 layers, just remove the layer like this.
And done.
Done and done. So you're going to have to wrap the entire napkin like this. Just like this. This is where you're going to need the baking paper to wrap it all around the napkin and the candle. And then iron it on. And remember, you're going to need adult supervision. So you're going to use this craft iron, and you're going to need some adult supervision to just iron on the craft paper so that it sticks on, and then you're basically done.
Now guys, we just have to cut the bit at the bottom.
Look very closely how she's done. You can iron the bottom bit like this to make it stick. Look closely again. Okay.
Done.
Done and done. Let's decorate. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween, boys and girls!